As you can see, I am going to repair my Galaxy J7. The problem in my Galaxy J7 was the LCD was broken, and also mic was not working, plus audio handset hand free was also not working, and also yes, the charging issue, the charging port, data port of this Galaxy J7 was loose, and most of the time not work properly. So normally you see videos on my YouTube is recording from this Galaxy J7. Currently I am using laptop camera, so I know the camera result is not good, and that's why I think this work was priority, that to repair this Galaxy J7, so that my main camera start working again. The videos you see on YouTube, my videos you see on YouTube are all recorded from this Galaxy J7. So this camera stop working, it means my channel is stopped. I have only camera of this Galaxy J7 which I use to shoot my YouTube videos. So the repair of this cell phone is very necessary for me. So I will resolve three problems. First one is charging jack. Second one is LCD replacement, and third one is microphone and hand-free jack. So I will start this repair and try my best to repair this as good as I can. So you can see in the beginning of this repair I have set all the things on the table, including the phone and one bag, in this bag there is new LCD and the old one, and along with the LCD there are a few more parts which are mic with aux module, and of course charging and data jack. First of all, I start with micro USB jack. As you can see, the hot air gun which I am using is not the genuine hot air gun which normally repairers use, but I have little bit skills with this hot air gun, so I was using this hot air gun. micro USB jack was not connecting well at the first attempt. So then I use iron soldering to make connection little bit clear and fresh. So then I will start again hot air soldering of micro USB jack with the PCB of J4. So friends, here you can see me. I am using hammer under the place where I am doing hot air soldering. This is because of a reason. So if I use hot air soldering directly on the table, so the table under PCB will burn out and leave marks on the table. So I put a hammer under the place where I am doing hot air soldering, so it will not damage the table. Now after this attempt of hot air soldering, I connect 5V micro USB in the jack of J4. Then I take my multimeter and started to check voltages of different section of the PCB of J4. First I check the voltages near 5V jack, and I feel very happy when I see 5V in the near of 5V jack. There are few regulators of power which are very close to jack, and I was receiving 5V there, so it was very satisfying to see that. After that I checked the 5V and 4V 4V and 3.9V at the battery points. There are 2 points in which one point should give you 4.2V and one point should give you 3.8 or 3.9V. So I checked with the multimeter, so I was receiving 3.9V in one pin and 4.2V at other pin. So that's clear. So this thing was clear that the micro USB jack was placed perfectly at its place, and all the circuit is working correctly at this time. So guys, after placing the micro USB jack and mic and aux module, now it's time to place the new LCD with the J4. But before connecting or placing the new LCD with the J4, first we need to check the LCD, either it is working correctly or it is making any kind of problems. You can see the LCD is on, and now we will check some things, like we will check the touch of the screen. It must be work correctly, it should not miss any touch. So as you can see, I have checked the LCD. The LCD was working fine. Now I am switch off this cell phone, and I will pull out the LCD wire from the body, from the PCB. Then I will fix the LCD with the cell phone permanently. So as you can see, I have removed the battery and now I have disconnected the LCD connector. Now I am fixing the LCD properly with the body of the J7. So I have started the assembling process of J7, sorry J4. Actually J7 was my oldest phone which I have lost few years ago, and its name was on my tongue, and this is J4 which I used for my YouTube purpose. So as you can see, I am setting the LCD. Now I am connecting the connector of the LCD with the body. Now I am putting SIMs and memory card into their slots. Now the battery is in and back cover, and the additional extra cover. Now I am putting rubber bands for temporary, because it's my habit to check my repair for 8 to 12 hours. So I put the rubber band and did not glue the LCD with the body of the J4 for the purpose of check. So you can see I am again rechecking the LCD and all working of this J4, because now I have assembled this J4, and that's why I am rechecking all the things, that while assembling there is any uncertain thing happened, and that's which I am checking at this time. It seems that everything is working fine.
Hello, mic check. 1 2 3, mic check. Hello, hello. Testing. 1 2 3, mic check.
So viewers, this is 1 day later. It's you can say it's a final check after all work done, and you can see there are no rubber bands, and yes, the LCD is glued permanently with the body of the J4. I have checked the cell phone working for 8 to 10 hours, so it was working without any kind of issue. So now after 24 hours I am shooting this video with another phone, and that phone was also faulty. the phone which I am using to shoot this clip, and both these phones I recovered at the same time. And these both phones are used for shooting my YouTube videos. So you can see I am checking the camera, which is my main objective to use this phone, and it is working very well. You can see this is just recorded video, and it is working very good. So all the problems which are in this phone are all solved. And guys, one thing is very annoying about this phone is that my phone, this J4, is very slow. So I did not enjoy using this phone. I just only use for this shooting my YouTube videos, and nothing else, because this is very slow. So nothing runs very well on this phone, especially games. It did not play any kind of a game, and apps on this phone are very slow. Hello, mic check 1 2 3. Hello, mic check. Hello, hello, mic check. Hello, mic check 1 2 3. Hello, mic check. Hello, mic check. I only kept this phone for 2 to 3 purposes. Like when I go outside, so I use this cell phone, and also when I want to use this cell phone on bike, mounting on bike, so I use this J4 in that. And yes, when I use a camera, so I use the camera of this phone. So this was the process of recovering this J4. I hope you learned something from this video. And yes, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.